If you need to reset your Ford Fiesta 2022 Ecoboost oil change display, then here's the guide. This guide applies to the digital dashboard version. It's very easy to do, so let's see how it's done. Start by turning the ignition on, and we're going to use the paddle control on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Simply access the main menu and then scroll down to the settings, and then press and hold the button on oil life, and then it will reset. Just check that your oil life has reset and shows 100%. If you're struggling with this process, why not leave us a comment below and I will try my best to help you. Maybe it went really well for you. If you enjoyed this video, why not check out some of the other videos for the Ford Ecoboost, covering many of the common Ford Fiesta issues. This has been how to fix it. Why not give us a like, and of course hit that subscribe button, and as promised, here's the links to the other videos.